Hello everyone, welcome to Melda 242. Today I made baked turkey flats with light barbecue sauce and this big, healthy garden salad. This had fruits and veggies and of course, peas and rice. Oh my word, look at that. This is Sunday meal today. Turkey flats with light barbecue sauce, garden salad with fruits and veggies, top it off with ranch dressing and of course peas and rice. Wow, this looks so yummy. Thank you for watching. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.